madness. Yeah, I'm fucking the baddest. Yeah, I bought me the crowds. I bought me the jams. Yeah, I never need practice. My money go double or triple. Yeah, your money subtracted. Yeah, put it up on the drinks, put it up on the cups, put it up on the swerve. Yeah, I ain't even fucking with nobody.
Pictures, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna basically put you on how I do it. It's pretty simple. Not if you beginning though, I guess it could be a little hectic in the beginning because you just gotta learn how to be comfortable, whatever, but it gets easy. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna explain to y'all everything you need and what to do and whoop-de-whoop. So let's get straight into that. Let me show you what you need first, you know what I'm saying? So boom, first things first, you need a tripod. You can get a tripod at Walmart, Amazon. It's not that cheap. I mean, I said it's not that cheap. It's not that expensive. It's probably like less than $30. If you need a tripod for more than $30, you got scammed, buddy. I'm not gonna lie, unless you're trying to hold a camera. If you're trying to take pics, you got scammed. So get you a little tripod. Y'all can see I got this tripod right here. And then the next thing you're gonna need is, I thought I just put it in my pocket. Oh, I lost it. No. Ray, are you serious right now? Alright, bet I ain't losing. So the next thing you're gonna need after your tripod is indeed a little clicker, as y'all can see. If y'all know, if you follow me on Instagram, when I take pics, my heads are probably usually in my pocket behind me or like kind of hiding because I be having a clicker in my hand. It's not that bad, honestly. It still get the job done. If you try to take pics alone anyways, it gets the job done. So you need a clicker as well. Tripod and a clicker is the only thing you need, and also a spiffy ass fit. I'm gonna taking pictures with no trash fit, bro. Don't piss me off. Y'all have already seen this fit before just because it's my brand and I literally wear my brand like every day. I can see, not the slides, I'm wearing boots by the way. I just don't want to put them on because, where they at? Where they at? Oh, because these motherfuckers right here, dumb junk is heavy, boy. Dior Super Rich Kids pants. And then we got the, at the top, we got the Super Rich Kid hoodie, crop hoodie with the white inside. And I'm not wearing this hat as well. I'm wearing this one right here. It says Dior for L. As y'all can see, I'm gonna just show y'all like this. So boom, even inside it got the little bonnet thing, as y'all can see. Let me bring it to the light. Got the little bonnet thing right here, as y'all can see. The silk, feel me, good quality. And then this the beanie right here, DR for L. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we gonna be wearing right here. But yeah, all you need is a 5-fit tripod and a clicker. You can get a clicker at Walmart or Amazon. Tripod you can get at Walmart or Amazon. 5-fit, you should have that in your closet because we are the DR for L. So I know you dripping, bro. You're not subscribed to this channel if you don't drip. That's a lie. I don't believe it. So I know you got something in your closet that's fire. So put that on, go outside, get your flicks. Go to a good spot as well because your background do matter a lot on the outfit. Me personally, I try to get a lot of green in my background. So get a lot of green if you don't have no crazy backgrounds. I just try to get green. But me personally, I go to the city to take pics, like Atlanta. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm going with my homie as well, so that's gonna be fun. Oh. Also, we hit 600 subscribers. Can we just clap? Can we? We hit 600 subscribers, bro. We just hit 600 subscribers 3 days ago, and now we are up 30 subscribers plus already. So we just gained 10 subscribers each of them days. That is crazy. We're growing so fast. We're gonna be at the top. DR for L. But anyways, appreciate y'all. Clap for y'all. Moment of silence. Thank you guys a lot. Road to 1K. Comment down below. And with that being said, let's go flick up. All right, y'all. So boom, I just made it to the destination. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get my stuff out for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Boom, we done made it to the destination. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got your tripod like I said before. And then you gotta find a cooler location, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I like taking pictures when the sun sets out. You feel me? I used to like taking pictures with no sun, but as y'all can see, that sun motherfucking blinded. And that's what I like. I like it when the sun about to go down. So it just gives me perfect flicks. But let go. All right, y'all, so boom, if y'all know me, if y'all go on my Instagram, on all my pictures, there's something green in it, bro. There's always like some green plants or something like that. So me personally, I try to take pics next to like green. So put a lot of green in your videos, cause like, it's just one of them color, or red. Red is another color, like, you know what I'm saying? It's very bold. It makes your picture look cooler. So I put green in my pictures because plants are everywhere. So like there's plants right there. There's some right here, some right here. But we're gonna take them right here though. So I'm gonna set y'all up and then y'all gonna see me do my thing. What the fuck?
Shit,
you scared the shit out of me, bro.
I saw you over there, bro.
Hell yeah. What's good, bro?
I be seeing your shit on IG. I was wondering if I can get a pic.
No, nigga. Not right now, bro. I'm busy. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
My bad, yeah.
Get the fuck out, bro.
I see you, bro.
Alright. What the fuck is wrong with that nigga, bro? Alright, we are now live, my boy. Y'all can't see me right now, but look, you gotta set the tripod up a certain way because you gotta get your angles. Whatever your angle is, bro, you should know your angles already. First off, like, you take flicks a lot, you should know your angles. If you don't take flicks a lot, start taking flicks a lot. You're gonna find your angle. Make sure you got your clicker, y'all, right here. I got my clicker with me. You can see, you just wanna connect this to your phone. It's pretty easy. You just go to Bluetooth or whatever. You can get this at Walmart. So go to Bluetooth and then set it up on your phone. And then all you gotta do is put a camera on your phone and then just start clicking it. I forgot to tell you, as far as poses, bro, it really don't matter, bro. Like, when I started, when I was like kind of nervous in front of the camera and stuff like that, play music on my other phone. Like, I'll just play music off this phone while I take pics with that one. Then just play your favorite song, just vibe out to it, bro. Don't worry about the camera for real. It matter. You probably gonna be awkward in the beginning, bro, but it don't fucking matter, bro. Just take your pics, bro. No one cares. Like, just take your pics. You gonna get better over time. Like, shy to go out there, bro. Don't be shy to show your personality through your pics or whatever. Like, it don't matter. Niggas gonna call you zesty, niggas gonna call you weird, emo, all that, bro. It don't matter, bro. Just take your pics, bro. No one cares. Because when you start making bags from taking pics and putting on outfits, they're not gonna be saying that. They're gonna be supporting you. So yeah, just do whatever the fuck you want, bro. And honestly, like, that's what I just do whatever the fuck I want. So yeah. I ain't gonna lie too, y'all make sure y'all clean y'all front camera or your back camera on your phone, cause I just fucking took pics and the camera was blurry as shit, so the pictures came out trash. So make sure you clean the back camera, cause I've done that before too and I was pissed as hell. Make sure you clean the back camera before you take your pics, cause that motherfucker be dirty sometimes. So yeah, anyways, let's get back into the fit. Oh my gosh, bro, y'all look at this. See, I guess my fit was so far and the pictures is gonna turn out so good that, like, that motherfucker hit me with the, I don't even think y'all can see it, but basically it says the temperature is too hot, also because the sun is facing right directly to the goddamn camera. So like, I guess it just motherfucking just, you know what I'm saying, it was too much heat for the phone. So yeah, let's just hope we got enough pictures before it's that temperature too hot. So I think my phone back on. Yeah, it's back on. I hate when it does that, bro. Like, it's not the first time, bro. Like, my phone's hot right now. It's because the pictures be too good. Bro, we barely got any pictures, y'all. What the fuck? Oh, we got enough pictures, y'all. We good, bro. We good, nigga. Fuck wrong with a nigga. We good, bro. See, I thought we wasn't gonna be straight, bro. We straight.
Look for that is.
Who?
Ops, they looking for us.
Oh, the ops, they looking.
But yeah, I had to beat their ass right quick.
Oh, it's back there?
Yeah, under.
Under? You put them under it. Damn.
You didn't hear us?
Nah.
I said, that's what I said. Take that shit, pussy. Bow.
And then you put them in there? Did you like hammer it back?
Yes, I literally, you know I got the toolbox in my car. Took the nails out. He was meaty. So it was like,
damn, that's a big ass nigga.
So it was about like this many. Boom. Boom.
Put him in that bitch?
Yeah, close, you might be able.
You probably could see him.
Or hear him.
Help me. Oh,
you heard that.
The nigga said help me.
Nah, fuck
yo. You. Nah, yeah, my friends are street as hell, y'all, so don't try it. I'm gonna pick up the camera next time we do something, and yeah, also I'm gonna put the, you know what I'm saying, the part when I edit the videos or whatever, y'all get the point, or edit the pictures or whatever. Yeah, with that being said, make sure y'all liking, y'all commenting, y'all subscribing. Comment down below if you happy, bro. I saw somebody, I said that in my last video, and somebody comment down below they were happy, so that shit made me smile. So comment down below if you happy. All y'all down below, say I'm happy or I'm sad. And yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a few. Alright y'all, so we done made it back to the crib, man, after taking pictures. So now we gotta go to step 2, which is editing all the pictures, bro. Editing your pictures is the most important part of this, bro. Like, you have to edit your pictures. Like, for it to come out better than it already looks, you have to edit it a little bit. So that's what I'm about to show y'all. A lot of y'all be asking me, oh, how you edit your pics, how you take your pics like that. What you take your pics with? I just use an iPhone. So iPhone, clicker, and a tripod like I showed y'all earlier. But yeah, let's get into it. I got my little handy dandy iPad, so I'm gonna show y'all how I edit my pictures. Boom. Okay, so we're screen recording. As y'all can see, here are all the pictures I took today. The first app you're gonna need, or the only app you really gonna need, is Lightroom. You're gonna need Lightroom, so go ahead and get Lightroom, my boy. After you get Lightroom, boom, you wanna get straight into it. First things first, what I do personally is I go through all the pictures I took today and try to make sure it's different poses or different locations. And what I do is I just favorite them. So see, you just go to the top, you know what I'm saying? Oh no, yeah, I see that. You didn't see that. Okay, you go to the top. Anyways, you want to find the best poses, the most aesthetically pleasing, the ones you look the most comfortable in. You can tell, you should be able to tell if you look comfortable in a picture. If you look at a picture of yourself and it looks kind of awkward, you don't look comfortable. So I look for the ones that I look the most comfortable in. In the beginning, I'm gonna show y'all the differences. I suggest y'all take over 100 pictures. Every time you go take pics, take your time, put some music on, so you can just vibe out and feel calm, like I told you in the video. But yeah, we gonna pick 10 or 5. We gonna pick 5 very, very good pictures, and then we gonna get to the editing part. So let's get straight into that. Alright y'all, so we ended up picking all the pictures we wanted, so now we gonna go straight onto Lightroom. When you get into Lightroom, it's gonna look like this. It kind of look different for every phone or whatever, but mine looks like this. You wanna go to the little plus at the bottom next to the camera. At the bottom right, you wanna click the little plus screen camera thing, and you wanna click from camera roll. After that, you should have favorited all your pictures that you just took, so I just go to favorites. Boom, and then all my pictures are right here. As y'all can see, I already make thumbnails or whatever with this app, so boom, you want to go ahead and select all the pictures you want, click add. They're gonna all pop up on this screen right here, as y'all can see. Next, you want to click the first one, and then from there you just start editing. Me personally, I got my own presets that I saved. I ain't gonna show y'all the presets. If y'all want the presets, comment down below for a part 2, and I'm gonna give y'all part 2. I'm not gonna show y'all the presets yet, but I'm gonna put y'all on to the differences between my pictures edited and not edited yet. So watch this. As you can see, here's the before, here's the after already. Before, after. Before, after. The only thing I really edit out is the saturation. I just like colors. I like colors a lot. So I try to bring every single color out. Before, it looks very, very great. So let me show y'all. Yeah, as y'all can see, boom, this is what it looks like before. No, this is what it looks like after, and this is what it looks like before. It looks very grayish, very boring, it don't even look like the sun out for real. And then after, boom. Let me show you how to make presets. You want to go right here to the little settings tab, to the top right corner. There's lights. You can change the lights, as y'all can see. Me personally, I try to mess with color a lot. I try not to touch the light. You know how to use exposure. If you don't know how to use exposure, but comment down below, I'll make a part 2 to this, and I'll teach y'all really how to go in depth on Lightroom. There's different like websites on how to buy presets and get free presets, but me personally, I made my own preset. All I did was turn the exposure down a little bit, and then I mess with the colors a lot. That's what really matters, the vibrance and the saturation. As y'all can see, this is vibrance. You see how I turned it more colors, and then saturation, same thing. Saturation is more for colors, vibrant is more for like that orange sunny look. So yeah, I'm gonna edit all these pictures for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all the differences, the before and after. You feel me? So yeah, let's get straight into that. Alright y'all, so boom, I just finished editing all my pictures. As y'all can see, look at how beautiful this picture, the first picture already looked, bro. It looks beautiful. Like, look at the plants, look at the flow, look at how my outfit just popped. Like, everything just look, the pink beanie, y'all see it? Y'all see how everything just is more like attractive, bro? Like, my hat looked like a piece of candy right now. Let me show y'all the before though. Look at the before. Look at the before. And then look at the after. I'm telling y'all, if y'all not using Lightroom and making your pictures look even better, you are tweaking, my boy. Boom, next picture. Y'all look at this. Look at how the hoodie, look at how my hoodie looks. Like, look at how clean. Like, y'all see? Boom. I was sweating a little bit in my picture, so you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna look a little glowy. Look at the chain, bro. Look at the background. Like, the background looks, but this don't look like a painting. Let's be real. It looks like a painting. It don't even look like a picture. Feel me? Boom. Look at this picture. I'm telling y'all. If y'all want the preset, make sure y'all drop down below part 2, and I got y'all with the preset. I'm gonna put y'all into my whole entire presets. Every preset for day, night, rising, motherfucker, for inside, no sun, night, bro, night vision, all that. I'm gonna drop it down below. This really, like, look at this, bro. As y'all can see, I'm sweating in the picture. It's like 80-something degrees in November. I don't know what's going on, but boom, this is really one of my favorite pictures. This is probably gonna be my screensaver now. You know what I'm saying? Pose with it. I don't know what kind of pose it's called, but I'm gonna call it like the shooter or something. I don't know, but this picture right here, also fire. This one right here, you know what I'm saying? Very cool, showing the ring off. The sun was hitting the ring though. That ain't no edit. The sun was hitting the ring, so that's why it looked like that. As y'all can see, that's tough. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to participate in this video, make sure y'all drop down below for part 2, man. Also, the video is not over yet, so make sure you go smack that like button. Comment down below preset, and I got y'all with the preset on. The video is not over though. The video is not over yet, so make sure you still smashing that like button. But right now, I'm about to go hang out with the bros. It's currently 12:57 a.m. So I'm about to go chill with the bros. I'm probably finna sleep over at the bros' cribs. So yeah, man. Make sure you keep watching this video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, all y'all in the comments down below, drop down your Instagram. We all gonna start following each other. I'm gonna follow you. You follow me. We all finna grow our Instagram. Anybody into fashion, drop down below, and then we gonna follow each other, and we gonna build a beautiful family. Dior for life. I'm gonna pick up the camera in a second though.
Ray, stop fucking recording. God damn. God damn. God damn.
What's going on, Marky?
God damn.
Nigga, you good? What the fuck wrong with y'all?
Who told this nigga he can record me?
Fucking no, I will break that shit. I am on fucking
Say that shit.
BT, motherfucker.
Straight BT right now.
What the
You see,
Big
I'm in a
crit
black,
shit.
I'm in a blacked outfit right now. I'm not playing no fucking. Why the fuck?
God damn.
Why are you holding that?
You alright? Let me know.
You finna rob some shit, yo.
Let me know.
Why did you just pull that camera out and start recording like you are not accessory to a fucking crime right now?
Who is we?
I got
Moi?
that shit tucked too.
You.
Moi? Tu penses que je veux rob somebody?
Stop speaking that fake ass language, bro.
I got that shit tucked too. Check me out.
You got that shit tucked.
Nigga grabbing his dick, yo.
What?
Nigga grabbing his penis.
So what game we playing first?
Shit, bro. Fucking Russian roulette.
I'm with the bros right now, as y'all can see, man.
Yes.
We just chill in the car. You know what I'm saying? We not on that right now. It's pretty late right now, so y'all know how I'm late nights be. If you know, then you know. You feel me? Me, I'm probably about to go edit this video for y'all, and I'm gonna post this video for y'all tomorrow, because today is Tuesday and I post Wednesday, so I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. So I'm gonna be grinding for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, sometimes in life you just gotta keep going. I don't know what I'm talking about, but if anybody going through some shit, keep going, my nigga, and love everybody and embrace everything and enjoy life.
I'm cousin of madness. I'm fucking the bands. I brought me the